Change your constitution, President Bogota. Change your constitution in South Africa. You're not teaching the children now, just one. Not providing equal rights and justice for all. Don't you see the seed you are sowing? That's what you gonna read. United Nations, what you are doing. For I know the talk is cheap. Change your constitution, President Bogota. Change your constitution in South Africa. Every day the people are crying. Every day the children are dying. Won't somebody do something to stop this inhuman suffering? Every day we walk it away. One fine day it will drop on us. We will fight if it's necessary now. That's the words of His Majesty. Your kingdom is falling, for I